Malinaka, Malala Soikomo, Malaya Mama, Pacific greetings. As JJ said, we run a cultural arts centre and we're really grateful that JJ and Mariani come and help teach the Fijian Meke. And so tonight, in support of our Fijians who are going to compete on behalf of Fiji, we would like to say a very big good luck. And we're very proud that you're going to represent not only Fiji but all of the Pacific Island regions. First of all, this dance that we're about to bring to you, I brought something a little bit different. You've probably seen a lot of Fijian making. So tonight, we're going to bring out, first of all, a creative piece. It's about the legend of Matavai, who was a great Samoa warrior. She happened to be a woman. Upon seeing her parents crying and yelling for help, back then in Samoa, the great kings or the chiefs would really make everyone live in fear. So they would hang them by their feet. So Nakamua, who lived in the land, and Nakamua means to hide in the land, or Nakamua, heard the cry and she went out and she saw her parents hanging. And from that moment she said, no more. I'm going to now make this right and my people will no longer live in fear. So she took 2 war weapons, Nifu'oti, you probably see some Samoan girls dancing with Nifu'oti. And it was from there that we started to use Nifu'oti in our dance. So her weapon was the Nifu'oti. The dance that we're going to bring to you is our perception of how her battle may have gone. And to also say that as women, we are known in the Pacific and Samoa as the greatest warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, Matavai Cultural Arts bringing to you the dance of Matavai.
Matavai Cultural Arts, ladies and gentlemen.